following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation has issued a statewide blue alert for Kenneth Wayne DeHart. DeHart is wanted by the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation and Blount County Sheriff's Office for aggravated assault on deputies. There is no known clothing description and there is no known direction of travel. DeHart was last seen in Maryville, Tennessee on February 8, 2024. DeHart is a black male age 42. He is 6 feet tall and 260 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. If you have any information concerning the whereabouts of Kenneth Wayne DeHart, please contact the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation at 1-800-TBI-FIND.